हेलो बच्चों, लेट्स रीड दिस क्वेश्चन। द क्वेश्चन सेज व्हिच सेल ऑर्गेनेली कंट्रोल्स मोस्ट ऑफ द एक्टिविटीज ऑफ द सेल्स। सो की कॉन्सेप्ट्स पे बात करते हैं। चलो, न्यूक्लियस न्यूक्लियस कंट्रोल्स न्यूक्लियस कंट्रोल्स मोस्ट ऑफ द एक्टिविटीज ऑफ द सेल। मोस्ट ऑफ द एक्टिविटीज मोस्ट ऑफ द एक्टिविटीज ऑफ द सेल मोस्ट ऑफ द एक्टिविटीज ऑफ द सेल due to presence of DNA, due to presence of due to presence of DNA, due to presence of DNA. DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid, deoxyribo deoxyribonucleic acid, deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is the genetic material which contains all the information required by the cell, which contain which contain all the information required by the cell, required required by the cell required by the cell required by the cell. DNA, that is deoxyribonucleic acid, is the genetic material which contain all the information required by the cell. So, which cell organelle controls most of the activities of the cell? So, the final answer of this question is nucleus controls most of the activities of the cell due to presence of DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, which contain all the information required by the cell. I hope you understood it well. Best of luck.